What up, Big Spank? Just a few minutes ago, well, about 30-40 minutes ago, I ran into that puddle over there. So all the way in the corner, you really can't see it, but the water was all the way up to about right where my foot was. Pretty much the only thing that was sticking out was the spank. So it was underwater. Motor underwater, ESC, everything was basically drowning. But it's a testament to the stuff that I use. I know ain't nobody in the RC game using that shit, so I'm gonna show you. I use this. Let me see if I can zoom in. Easy Lube, bicycle chain lube. It separates inside the bottle. It's kind of white. If you look at the top, you'll see. Quiet my cigarette. I need to quit. See all that stuff caked up around the top? Zoom in. Okay. See it? It's like wax. Turns into like this waxy stuff, but it's soft. See it? I can put my finger in it and it come off on my finger. So it's like wax. Really good for your gears, your bearings, everything. I know people got their own formula. Even people use all types of stuff. I've been using this for a long time. Not this company, but another company that makes Easy Lube for bike chain oil. So it's basically for the gears inside the bike chain. So when you get go in water, sand, and all that stuff, it keeps the water from getting in. I mean, literally, I opened my gearbox in the back and the front, and there was no water in there. So if it didn't get past those bearings where, you know, they got that space on the side, if the water didn't get in there, well, anywhere, my middle gears, none of it. I have 3 gears in here, none of them. I mean, 3 differentials in here. All 3 differentials are dry. So, again, Easy Lube. That's what I use. So, luckily, steering was off because my gyro was underwater too, and the gyro has holes in it, so therefore it's done. I unscrewed it and put it in the heater. Hopefully it'll dry out and work everything. But luckily this remote right here, this radio link joint, put my own 3S on there. This radio link joint has a gyro built in, so I'm lucky there. I really don't need a gyro. I just had an extra one, because I haven't figured out the radio link yet, but I guess I'm going to figure it out now. So just want to let y'all know my shit's still good, and that's what I use, Easy Lube. Alright?